How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Shikha, your teacher. Today I will teach you math subject. And in math subject we will learn beta addition. Okay, what will we do? Addition. Do you know what is addition? Do you know? No. Addition, adding something, especially two or more numbers. Okay, addition क्या होता है बेटा? एक और दो या दो से अधिक नंबरों को जब हम जोड़ कर रखते हैं तो उसको एडिशन कहते हैं. ओके, यस. फर्स्टली डेट. बेटा यहाँ पर ये डेट है, जहाँ जिस दिन आप अपना वर्क करोगे उस दिन यहाँ पर अपनी डेट लिखोगे. एंड डे, उस दिन आपका डे होगा. संडे, मंडे, वेडनेसडे, जब भी आप अपना ये वर्क करोगे तभी भी आपका यहाँ पर आप डे लिखोगे. नेक्स्ट, एंड दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एडिशन. Okay, we called it plus. We called it plus. Okay, next examples. We will take some examples to learn addition. Okay, firstly, there are some colors in my hand. So students, we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 colors. Okay, and there are some colors in my another hand, so count it. 1, 2. 2 colors इस एंड में है और 4 कलर्स इस एंड में है. ओके बेटा, अब हमें क्या करना है कि हमें टोटल काउंट करने हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब हमारे पास टोटल कलर्स कितने हैं? 6. ओके, इसी को हम एडिशन. आई एम टेकिंग सम चॉकलेट्स. डू यू लाइक चॉकलेट्स ना? यस, आई ऑल्सो लाइक. आई हैव 2 chocolates. I have 2 chocolates. 1, 2. 2 chocolates in my right hand and 1, 2. 2 chocolates in my left hand. Okay. Now we will count it. Total count 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 chocolates. Okay, beta? Yes. This is addition. Now we will take some examples on board. Look here. There is a mango and there is another mango. Okay, we count both. 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, 2 mangoes. Okay, yes, we can write here 1 mango plus 1 mango is equal to 2 mango. Okay, 1 mango plus 1 mango is equal to 2 mangoes. 1, 2, 2 mangoes. Okay, what is this? Do you know what is the sign of addition? And what is this? This is the sign of is equal to. Okay beta? Yes. Now next example, we have 2 stars. 2 stars, 1, 2. 2 stars here and 1, 2. 2 stars here. Now we will add 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Yes friends, 1, 2, 2 stars. 1, 2, 2 stars. Now we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Okay, yes, got it beta? Yes. Next we have some triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles in my left side and 1, 2, 2 triangles in my right side. We will add. And is equal to how many triangles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangles here? 5. Okay, yes. Now beta, we have many examples like there are 2 balls and there are another ball. Okay, we write here 1, 2 balls plus 1 ball is equal to 1, 2, 3 balls and 3. We can write 3 in this box. Okay, next beta, we have circle. One circle is here and one circle is here. We will add them. 1 plus 1 is equal to, we have 2 circles. Okay, and then we can write here 2 circles. 1, 2, 1, 2, one circle is here and one circle is here is equal to 2 circles are here. Okay, next. So students, we can learn addition from these examples. We will learn the addition with the help of sticks. Okay, then there is 2 numbers and plus there is 1 number. Okay, so बेटा यहाँ पर हमने अगर 2 numbers लिखा है तो यहाँ पर भी हमने 2 lines लगानी है, 2 sticks लेनी है and 1 is 1. Now is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. We can write 1, 2, 3 is equal to 3. And what is this number? 3 plus what is this number? 3. Now we will count them. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number here? 6. Okay, next 1, 2. We draw here 2 sticks and there is 0. What is the meaning of 0? 0 is 0, nothing. बेटा यहाँ पर जब हम किसी नंबर को 0 के साथ में ऐड करते हैं तो वही वाला सेम नंबर यहाँ पर आएगा, क्योंकि 0 का मीनिंग होता है नथिंग. 0 कुछ नहीं होती. ओके, तो यहाँ पर हमारा कितना है? 2 लाइन्स हैं. यहाँ पर तो कोई 0 है ही नहीं, यहाँ पर कोई लाइन्स है ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमारा सेम नंबर आएगा 2. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस नंबर? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. देयर इज 4 and there is 2 number. 1, 2. How many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number here? 6. Okay. So students, we can learn this method. So students, we can learn addition with this method. Okay. And now students, we will enjoy the video of addition. Good. Thank you. Have a nice day.
One little parrot singing I love you. One more joins in making them two. Two little parrots resting on a tree. One more joins in making them three. Three little parrots looking for more. One more joins in making them four. Four little parrots wanting to die. One more joins in making them 5.